Wow, look at that strong neck. Look at that.
I am strong, Golden Hole.
You are?
Strong, Golden Hole.
Look at that. She could lift up her neck all by herself and look around, huh?
I am so strong, Golden Hole.
You're much stronger than her.
I am much stronger than her.
Wow.
Take a picture of her. I'm
taking a video.
No, I want you to take a picture, not a video.
Okay, hold on. Oh, look how cutie.
I didn't put the diaper inside.
Look at that perfect neck.
Put the diaper inside.
Wait.
You're not helping me change Gabrielle's diaper.
I am, but I just want to show the world how she can pick up her neck and look around without
I don't
any
want
pop.
you.
Say bye-bye, Gabriella. Bye-bye.